we have to write congruent statement for any figures that can be proved congruent. We have given here quadrilateral, and this quadrilateral is divided to two triangles. So first, let's check the angles of our two triangles. We see that angle N is congruent to angle L. So we can write that angle N is congruent to angle L. Next, L, M, K has three lines, and angle M, K, N has three lines. So these two angles are congruent too. So we can write that angle L, M, K is congruent to angle M, K, N. What else? Angle N, M, K is congruent to L, K, M. So we can write that angle N, M, K is congruent to angle L, K, M. What else? The segment KN is congruent to segment LM. Segment KN has two lines and segment LM has two lines. So we can write that segment KN is congruent to segment LM. And segment KL is congruent to MN. What else? KM is the same like MK. So we can write that triangle NKM is congruent to triangle LMK. This is my solution.